Let me show you a simple way to buy and trade Nigerian stock or shares or stocks, whatever they call them. So if you've been looking for a simple video that will guide you how to buy stock using your smallest amount of money possible, this video is going to try to do that. So if this video helps you, please like the video, subscribe. My name is Goodnoel, and without wasting much time, let's begin. So the name of this app is called Afrinvestor 2.0. So you can go to Play Store and install this. So this is going to be the app we'll use. So for you to create an account with this app, you need to put your personal information and every other thing. And this is important because if you create the account, you are supposed to get this number here. You're supposed to get the CSCS number and the CHN number. These are very important numbers for a potential investor like you. So once you create the account, you are going to notice that your account here is pending. So they need to fully verify you and they may take time. So if you wait for like 24 hours and they did not verify you, you have to go and write them on Twitter, or you can send them an email. I personally used Instagram to get to them before they verified the account. So once it's active, you are ready to go. So the app is pretty straightforward, and this is where you see your portfolio value. So the portfolio value for me is basically the amount I have inside, because yet I've not gotten any shares yet. But if you come here, you can see stocks and you can see commercial papers. I already talked about commercial papers in one of my other videos. So if you come down here, you see they arrange this thing by the gainers by percentage, the gainers by value, and the losses by value, and the losses by percentage, and the most active. So they are just trying to help you, like show you some of the best performing stocks and some that are not performing that much. So if you come to your portfolio, this is where you find your portfolio. This is where you see your wallet balance. You see all your money. Everything is distributed. Let's say if I had some equity bonds and bonds that I bought, they will show here. If I invested in T-bills and commercial paper, they will show right here. If I had fixed deposit notes, they will show right here. All these things are forms of investment. And with this app, you can do it basically easily. You can manage everything easily. So if you come to invest, this is where you start seeing like the Nigerian stocks. You can see treasury bills, you can see commercial papers, and they have this feature they say that is coming soon. So before we get to the Nigerian stocks, that will show you how to buy them or sell them if you wanted. You want to look at your wallets, you can see this total money you have. So far I just deposited some money. I've not really done anything extensively with this app. I've just been studying it, and they say the USD wallet is coming soon. All right. So if you come to the more, this is where you can see your watch list, you can see your transactions, you can see your order history, and this is where you can send them a message if they if you need to send them a message. So let's come to the main thing, which is to first of all fund our wallet. So to fund wallets, you have to like add the money that you want to use to invest in these stocks. So you can come here, click on fund wallet. You can put the amount you want to fund. Let's say I want to fund like, let's say 50,000 or even 500,000. I can come here, click on continue. And I have the option to pay through card or bank transfer, depending on the one you want. Let's use bank transfer. So it's supposed to generate an account for us. It has. So it generates an account, and all you have to do is send the money to this account. So once you send this money to this account, you come here, you click on done. It's going to reflect right here after they confirm this transaction. So once they've confirmed it, you can come to stocks, and this is where the main fun begins. Of course, you must have done your own research to know what stocks are about and the kind of stocks that you can buy. But for here, you see different stocks that you can buy. Let's say you want to buy this one from FCMB or even Fidelity Bank or GT or even Guinness, even Ikeja Hotel. So shares are basically company asking you to give them money, and they give you shares, and these shares can be traded or sold at any time that you want. So all these companies you are seeing here, they are publicly listed, and you can buy and trade them whenever you want. So let's just use MTN for instance. Let's say we wanted to buy MTN. You can come here, click on MTN, and as you can see, the market is closed for today. So the market opens I think 10 to 2 p.m. So if you want to buy shares or stocks, the market closes that time. So as you can see here, it tells you that the market is closed, but it gives you a graph of how MTN has done in the last 2 months, in the last 6 months, in the last 1 year, in the last 12 months. And if you come down here, you see the order book and the informations, and then the trade. So this is the open price. This was the previous close price, which technically is usually the open price. This is the best bid at 190 naira. The 24-hour change is 0.00. Today's high, this is the highest it's gone today, lowest it's gone today. Best offer price 196, highest in the last 52 weeks 319. So the stuff sort of dipped, and lowest in the last 52 weeks is 175. So you come here, you see the traded volume, and then you see the value traded. So there's just a brief description about the company that you want to invest in. So if you wanted to buy the MTN, you can come here, click on buy, and you can buy using the order book. You can buy by looking at the order book to just see what's going on. Here you can see the sell order and then the buy orders. So the sell orders are in red, the buy are in green, just like you have it with cryptocurrency and trading in general. So let's say we want to buy this, we can just come here and put how much shares, how much we want to buy. So for instance, the MTN price here is 199.80. so you can come here and set your own price. Let's say we want to buy 190. All right, and then you can set the number of shares that you want to buy. Let's say we want to buy 250. So we need to top up to actually meet this, but if you wanted to top up, you just transfer money to this. But let's see if we can proceed without it, and you can click on buy. Yeah, we need to set the limit period. So the limit period simply means the time frame you want them to use to execute this order. So if you click here, you can see good for 30 days, good for 3 days, good for 5 days, good for 7 days. The most common one you would use should be good for today. So you are buying based on the most recent price. All right, so you can say buy now, and it gives you the complete summary of what you want to purchase. So this is the total amount of what you are going to purchase. This is the fee, this is your commission, which is sort of high, but convenience is expensive these days. So let's say you click on buy now. This is just a moment. As you can see, it says insufficient fund. If you had fund, it's going to place this bid for you, and it will be activated or completed whenever the market opens, or whenever your MTN falls to this price that we have bid. All right, so once you do that, your own bid is going to come here. As you can see, somebody actually bid 190 and they are buying 1,500. Somebody bid 189, somebody 185, somebody 181, like that. So these are people who own shares who want to sell. You can see how much they want to sell. So this is a free market, and you can set what you want. All right, so this order is going to be filled when people match what you want. So if you wanted to sell your shares, it is the same thing. I don't really have any shares that I can sell now, but if you wanted to sell it, you can just sell it, and when people buy it, you will get the Naira, and you can withdraw the Naira. So if you wanted to withdraw the Naira, you can come to wallet here, and then you can click on withdrawal. So you add an account. So I already added this account when I was creating the account. So this is where you put how much you want to withdraw. Let's say 5,000 Nigerian Naira. You click on next, click on next, and you can just click on withdraw. You enter your PIN and this money will be sent to your bank account. So this is how you can buy and trade stocks, Nigerian stocks in particular, without any stress. I hope this video helps you. Please like the video. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. If you have any contributions, you can equally leave it for us in the comment section. Please subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.